Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Rockstar Games error 10000.7. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your computer search and you want to search for virus and threat protection. Click on this option. Now from here you will need to select virus and threat protection, manage settings. Scroll all the way down until you see this exclusion and click on add or remove exclusions. Now click on yes. Now add an exclusion. You will need to select the folder for your C drive where your Rockstar Games is installed. If you have installed it elsewhere, make sure you locate that. Once you've done everything on the exclusion, make sure it is the Rockstar folder, not just the file itself. The second thing I suggest doing is for searching for date and time settings. Once done, go ahead and once again go to your search bar and type in date and time settings. Over here, make sure to set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Once you make sure those are on, click on sync now. This will verify your date and time on where you are currently. Once done, go ahead and launch your Rockstar Games and the issue should be fixed. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.